Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Bhartiya Garden Estate, Nico Home 7 Phase 2, which is located in Sadahalli, North Bangalore, a project developed by Bhartiya Urban. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual site and the land parcel. So basically this is the marketing office of the project and about the land parcel where the construction work is going on. So it is just on my right hand side. You can check out over here. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with the developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So Bhartiya Garden Estate Nico Home 7 will be constructed on total 29 acres of land parcel which will be developed in 3 phases. Currently launched with phase 2. And in phase 2 you'll be getting 3 towers of tower H, J and tower K with all the towers of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors having exclusive 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 3 BHK loft and 4 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, Nico Home 7 also consists of villas and there are total of 64 villas in different variants. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located exactly on Navratna Agrahara Road, opposite to the Prestige Tech Cloud in Sadahalli, North Bangalore. And basically let me show you the Navratna Agrahara Road. So this road over here behind me is the Navratna Agrahara Road, and about the Prestige Tech Cloud is, yes, that building over here is the Prestige Tech Cloud. Now about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Prestige Forum Mall in just 500 meters from the project. Dudjala Metro Station is 800 meters and Kampagoda International Airport, which you can connect only in 10 minutes from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 80 plus world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse with swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, multi-purpose court and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area, and this project provides you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 3 BHK loft and 4 BHK premium residencies. So 2 BHK here is starting from 1100 square feet to 1200 square feet. 2.5 BHK starting from 1350 square feet to 1400 square feet. 3 BHK from 1600 to 1800 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2100 square feet.
3 BHK loft
is 2150 to 2200 square feet super built up area, and 4 BHK is starting from 2500 to 2600 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project, that is Bhartiya Garden Estate Nico Home 7 Phase 2 located in Sadahalli, North Bangalore, a project developed by Bhartiya Urban.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.